I have everything working. I also set up custom hours for categories, but it doesn't seem to be working. It is lunch now, so categories like sandwiches, which are set to regular custom time, should be hidden, but are not. Lunch sandwiches should be showing instead. Okay, let me take a look here. Let me log into the back end. Let me see. So we have Clover order settings. Okay, and then let's go to custom hours here. Categories, lunch. Yeah, okay, lunch you have it set up as 11:03, Saturday, Sunday close. Okay, lunch looks correct. Let's see what could be the issue. I think it's the store interface. Yeah, yeah, I'm glad you actually mentioned this. So the custom hours doesn't work with store interface 1. Let me change that for you. So do this. Go to store interface, and just use any store interface except for 1 and 2. So don't use this one or this one. So 3, 4, 5, and 6 works. So let me go ahead and switch to 4. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and document this. I have it on the documentation, I believe, but I'll go ahead and make sure to include that custom hours does not work with the store interface. Let me see if it's actually written here, because that's a good idea. That way others don't actually select this one thinking that custom hours works with it. Let me see if it actually mentions that here. I'm checking now just to double check. But now since I changed the store interface, okay, hold on, let me go over here. Let me just refresh the page. Since I changed to store interface 4. Now this should not, okay. Okay, perfect, yeah, let me take a look here. When is your lunch? Your lunch is, okay, oh, right here, see, not available yet? Yeah, so that's what it's gonna show. Let me try the other store interface, but let me see if I do have it set up here that says that. Okay, okay, yeah, you're right. I'm gonna on the next update, I'm gonna put a message here, letting customers know that it won't work with store interface 1 and 2. Okay, let me see if it's written over here. Okay, so I apologize for that. It doesn't work with store interface 1 or 2. Okay, so but let's try number 3. Number 3 looks pretty good. Let's go to store interface. Let me do number 3 because this is the closest to number 1 we have. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. This is number 4, by the way. I'm switching to number 3. Okay, so here's number 3. Yeah, see, there you go. Not available yet. Okay, not available yet. Okay, and also one thing I want to recommend that you could do is right next to sandwiches when lunch is available. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go here. You want to go to categories, settings, and then right next to the category name, you can do it from the back end here. Let me show you what I mean. Click here, and which one wasn't available? Sandwiches. Okay, sandwiches. Okay, so just do this. Press this, and then just write when it's available. The custom for categories only works with 4 and 5 and 6. But for this one, just put like the hour. Just say 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay? Something like that. I think that's what let me see when your hours were. Okay. Okay, it doesn't show when it's available, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this, but make sure to log back in and put the actual lunch hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put like that. And then I'm gonna refresh the page. This way your customers know when it's available, okay? So let me show you what I mean by that. See, like that. And then they'll know like, oh, it's 10:50, I have to wait 10 more minutes. And then once it becomes 11, then this will go away, all right? So again, so it works with this store interface. Do the same thing for hummus. Right next to it when it's available, okay? Same thing for main dishes or any other category that's available at certain hours. Right next to it, right when it's available, okay? All right, thank you so much. Hopefully this video helped out.